Alright folks, so let's take a look at how we can easily enroll and deploy Addigy to macOS devices. So if I were to go to the Add Devices tab here and select the policy for which I want to enroll my machines into, in this case I'll select Alpha Networks, I have different options here. The main option that a lot of admins where we typically recommend is Automated Device Enrollment, but let's say you don't have Apple Business Manager currently and you just need to get a machine into Addigy. What you can do is take this manual device enrollment link here, copy it, and within the machine that you're trying to enroll, all you'd have to do, go into the web browser for that particular machine, paste the link that you retrieved from the Add Devices page. What this will do is it'll deploy, right, the Addigy agent, but nothing has happened yet. Right? A local administrator has to consent to the approval of this first before it can become a managed machine. So I'll navigate into System Settings, Device Management, and in here is where I can approve the MDM profile. Once I approve this profile here, my machine is officially enrolled directly into Addigy. What we'll see now is PPPC deploying the Addigy agent utilities. We'll begin to see those pop up here in a moment. All right. As this is beginning to appear locally, if I were to just go back into Addigy real quick, I would see under Devices, All Devices, here is my machine enrolled into Addigy. Thank you.